Assalamu alaikum everyone. The topic of my presentation is corruption and tax evasion in our country. We will start with their definitions. Corruption is defined as misuse of power on any level, be it on individual level, organizational level, or government level. Some forms of corruption include briberies, double dealing, under the table transactions, diverting funds, money laundering, etc. Tax evasion occurs when an individual, a company, or an organization illegally evade the tax to increase their worth and is considered a criminal offense worldwide. One of the forms of corruption also include tax evasion, which has become a major social and economic issue for Pakistan. Certain elite societies and status quo evade the taxes, which in return destroys the economy of a country. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, the tax returns are alarmingly low due to lack of tax reforms and public trust. Our total tax returns average around 10% of the total population, which is even less than that of Ethiopia with 12%. People need to understand that taxes help a state to run the economy properly. It helps improve social services and infrastructure by reducing poverty levels and improving living standards. The point to ponder here is that tax evasion and tax avoidance are two different aspects. The major difference between them is that the tax evasion is illegal and is bound for punishment, whereas tax avoidance is entirely legal and it ensures cutting your tax bills with some sensible means. For instance, saving your income in an individual saving account so you don't have to pay income tax or capital gains on that money. This is known as tax avoidance. On the other hand, bribery, storing or laundering wealth outside the country, smuggling, all of these come under the umbrella of tax evasion. These are some of the causes of tax evasion. Lack of government strictness to ensure tax evaders are punished. The most common cause here in our country is the lack of public trust in the government due to the corruption within the system. The taxation system in Pakistan is complex and a common man often does not understand it and so ignores it as a result. Last but not the least, the tax rates such as GST are very high, which burdenizes a person with a low income. Some remedies that I suggest to overcome or at least minimize this issue is to introduce a proper tax auditing system. Secondly, taxation should be easily understandable by a layman. Thirdly, strict laws should be introduced to counter tax evaders. Lastly, tax rate should be lowered down as much as possible so that more and more people enter into the tax net. In conclusion, I would like to say that as every drop of water makes an ocean, it can also be said that every small contribution can make a considerable difference in the growth of the economy and a healthy society. So let's fulfill our duties first and then claim our rights. Thank you for listening me. That is it from my side. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.